Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you guys into my home once again. Now, today's video is part of a collaboration, and it is titled the Valentine's 2022 Collab. Now, you guys know what to do now. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and maybe even a snack. Sit back and relax and enjoy as I share with you what I've created for this collaboration. Now, it's hosted by At Home with Mary J and co-hosted by Mary of Mary's Life Journey. And what these ladies have asked us to do is to create a centerpiece using Dollar Tree Valentine's Day picks or both. So I'm going to use what I have and create this centerpiece, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Now, if you're new to my channel, I say welcome and I thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your very first time, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show me love and support, I want to say to you, I thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. And I love you. I thank you all for all that you have done for me on this platform. Now, in my comment section or in my description box below, you will find the links to the host and the co-host channel, and also a playlist link or the hashtag, which is hashtag Valentine22. If you click on that, you will also be taken to the playlist of all of the other creators. Now, you guys, I am going to play you some music. Hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. That really helped my channel to grow. And to subscribe if you are new. Be blessed, you guys. And until the next video, I am your host, Gigi Faison. time, and it's all about the centerpiece. The collaboration was to create a centerpiece using Dollar Tree items. Items such as the Dollar Tree picks and etc. So, along this beautiful vase that I shared with you earlier, I have draped a Dollar Tree scarf, and at the base of the vase I have another heart from the Dollar Tree that says Happy Valentine's Day. But at the very top of the floral arrangement, you will see those beautiful hearts that I have inserted. I have 3 of these hearts, and they are centered at the very top of these beautiful florals that I purchased from Amazon. And then these love hearts that or these love signs that I purchased those from Amazon. I think it's been like maybe a couple of years. That beautiful heart-shaped runner was a find from TJ Maxx, and I think I shared that with you guys in an earlier video. And then I have just staggered some of those foam roses in the center, just for that extra special added touch. And because this is a 2-piece place setting, or place setting for 2, dinner for 2, I am aligning everything towards the back side so that we can have that clear sight line when you are having dinner with your significant other. Now the place setting, you see this napkin, I think these were a consignment shop find, and then these black wine glasses were a find from Amazon a couple years ago. The black and white bowl and place setting, I'm not quite sure where I purchased those from, but that scallop charger was a find from Hobby Lobby. The black runner here is from Hobby Lobby, and that beautiful first place mat that I placed down was from Amazon a couple years ago. I shared a video earlier on a couple days ago with these candles, so I thought I'd pull them out to share it once again. These were from a shop here in my town, and so this makes up my tablescape, and the share is this beautiful centerpiece. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Give me a thumbs up, and check out the host as well as the co-host. Be blessed and take care until the next video, as I am your host here, Gigi Faison.